Hak program balalong Mynta kesngi hau soso tam auditorium umcirang ba ke Jylla Conrad ke sangma lapelai ya ke Durand Cup trophy nak Mynta ke Durand Cup arhajar pausau ke Pynlong ru ke cispa lai pulai edition jang ke Durand Cup. Hak ne kesngi la don lang menteri ketenat elekai ba Shanklier Wardri Air Marshal ESC SP Hanka Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik GOC Cispa Highway Area GOC Bengal Sub Area Vice Chairman DCOC, March General Rajesh A. Mukhi, ADG NCC, March General Kagandi, but Additional Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Dr. Shakil Ahmed. Abakren u mencidang ba ulaong ba wadla ke Jylla kalak kwa ban Pynlong ke Durand Cup House Snem bala dep, Henry lapan paupat bala yo ban Pynlong mentau Snem.
Indian Army, the Eastern Air Command, the Eastern Command, for having selected Shillong as one of the locations to host the Durand Cup for this year and I'm sure for the future also. As was being mentioned by our sports minister, that we wanted to host this even last year. But because of a large number of challenges in terms of infrastructure, we were not able to host it on time last year. But I'm very happy that we are ready this year. And after a lot of efforts that have gone in from the sports department, even from our armed forces, continuous follow-up, continuous meetings, we are very happy that Shillong and Meghalaya also is part of this particular tournament, which I'm sure our young students out here who are here today would know that this is one of the oldest football tournaments in Asia. And it is in fact the oldest football tournament in Asia and the 5th oldest national competition in the world. That's how far and long and history that the Durand Cup and the Durand Trophy and the tournament has. So we are very, very privileged and very honored and very happy that this is being hosted, and one of the host cities is here in Shillong. And let me assure our officials from the armed forces that whatever support is required, which we have been doing in the past and even for the future, that we will be there to ensure that we leave no stone unturned to make sure that this tournament is a great success.
The Deputy Commissioner of East Khasi Hills, Srimati R.M. Kurba, and of course, last but not the least, Rishabh Bhatna of the Cherry Tree.